My name is Lou Hill with Nexus IT. I'm a senior cybersecurity systems engineer. Since I've been on the team, Nexus has grown significantly. We've doubled in size, at least. And it's really amazing to see, a team that is able to be so agile, and to see how they have been able to react in proactive ways to our environments, that we manage. Being an IT managed services provider is really a difficult thing for a company to do, to manage IT from an external lens, so to speak. So it's very impressive to see how Nexus has managed that from the perspective of documentation and enabling our clients to accomplish what they are in business to do, while not having to deal with IT every day. Rather, having an entire team of professionals that can come in and really manage that for them. And it really speaks to the amazing accomplishments that Earl has been able to build with the team here. It's been an incredible experience, truly, to see all this come to fruition, especially grow. It's an amazing company to work for.